Hi John. So for today's video, I have Blazing Vortex. I know there's a few starlights in here. This box comes with 24 packs and 9 cards per pack. I'm going to try to see if I can get Armed Thunder level 10 starlight. So let's get started. Alright, let's start right away. First pack. Reinforcement of the Army Troops, Linear Equation Cannon, Arm Dragon Lightning, Springen Rocky, Pot Prosperity. That's a nice card. Definitely one of the higher value card. Arm Dragon Blitz, Springen Pador, Tilt Tray, Dreamer Recap. Pretty good for a first pack. Alright, Pendulum Encore, Knight of Armed Dragon, Ancient Warrior Saga, Fabled Marcosi, Armed Dragon Thunder level 7. Well, let's see if we can get all the way up to 10. Again, Mirror Recap, Tri-Bridge Rendezvous, Synchro Transmission, Radiant. I'm not going to try. So let me know if you guys opened any of these yet. Dual Avatar, Heavy Metal, Pendulum Encore, Knight of Armed Dragon, and Oneros, the Dreamer Tormentor. Let's look at this artwork. That looks pretty cool. We'll keep you over here. Tri-Bridge Rendezvous, Synchro Transmission, Radiant, Breath of Acclamation. One foil per pack. Spring Call, Springen Call, Gaiga Thunder, Cyclops, Star Regulator, Springen Bringa, EMR, Breath of Acclamation, Virtual World Gate, Stairway to a Fable Realm, The Fabled Abec, Ancient Warrior Saga, Marcosi, Springen Call, Gaiga Thunder, Ancient Warrior Rebellious Lu Fang. Looks pretty cool. Virtual World Gate, Stairway to Fable Realm, The Fable Abec, Fable Treason, so far I like it. I like this pack. As Force Professor Digamma, Fairy Archer Gunnar, Armed Dragon Lightning, Parametric Full Fusion, Dragonic T Knight, Fabled Treason, Archfiend Staff of Despair, Sagan Blast, Macken on Clapspare, Star, Branga, Professor, Fairy Archer, Angel Statue. This guy looks pretty cool. Archfiend Staff of Despair, Springen Blast, and Mag on Clapspare, and Pador. Well, I guess Starlight. Guitar, Garnarda, Branga, Ice Breeze Refrain, and Neroy, the Dreamer Discipline, Greater Pommelization. Looks pretty cool. Pador, Archfiend Staff of Despair, Warrock Orpheus, Warrock Ordeal, Arm Dragon Lightning, Pyramatophole Fusion, Guitar, Bringa, Paramatic Foe, Azortulus, Archfiend Staff, Warrock, Warrock Ordeal, Wind Witch, Blizzard Bell, Warrock Skylar, Asforce Professor, Fable Marco C, Metalcaster, Arm Dragon Thunder level 5. Alright, we just need level 3 and 10. Wind Witch Blizzard Bell, Sagan Captain Sargas, Ojama Pink, Digital Bug, Icy Breeze, Neroy, Skylar, Asforce Professor, Mahavalo, Light of the Heaven. I like this card. Looks pretty cool. Captain Sargas, Ojama Pink, Digital Bug, Tribridge, Encore, S-Force Showdown, Spring and Call, Reinforcement, Sacred Tree Beast, Tribridge, Spring the Iron Dash Dragon, Breath of Acclamation, and Pink. Halfway there. Will we get the Starlight? Or a Starlight? Rare. Let's find out. Steel Star, Bringa, Icy Breeze, Marco C, Warrock Mountain. Virtual Wargate, Raging Storm Dragon. That kind of looks pretty cool. Pador, Unclaspare, Dogmatica Genus, Giga Thunder, Reinforcement, Armed Dragon Ritual, Wind Witch Freeze Bell, Unclasped Bear, Second Blast, Fable Treason, and Manokujike. Guitar, Fairy Archer, Genesis, Giga Thunder, Tribridge Kate, Spring and Blast, Fable Treason, discard again, Stairway to Fable Realm, Ancient Warrior Saga, Knight of Armed Dragon, Heavy Metaphor, Metalcaster, Wind Witch Chimps, Stairway to the Fable Realm, Rendezvous, Archfiend Staff of Despair, Radiant, Reinforcement, Armed Dragon Ritual, Ancient Warrior Saga, Knight of Armed Dragon, Fable, and Wrath. That card looks pretty cool. Rendezvous, Staff of Despair, Radiant, and Captain. Dual Avatar, Neoi, Linear Equation, Skylar, Warrock, Captain Sargus, Armed Dragon Blitz, Orpus, Tilt Tray. Heavy Manifold, Melcaster, Dual Avatar, Neoi, Manifold Vanquisher. It's an okay, I guess. Armed Dragon Blitz, Orpus, Tilt Tray, Second Blast, Spring and Blast. Giga Thunder, Armed Dragon Ritual, Genesis, Fusion, S-Force, Justify. I like this one. Spring and Blast, Digibug, and Iron Dash. Oops. Blizzard Bell, Linear Equation, Skylar, Gyclops, Armed Dragon Ritual, Sega Tree Beast, Digibug, Iron Dash Dragon, Blizzard Bell, Warrock Ordeal. I have 3 packs left for that Starlight. Come on. That'll be nice. It'll be nice to have a Starlight. As for Showdown, Neroid, Reinforcement, Linear Equation, Warrock Forte, Warrock Ordeal, Raging Storm Dragon, Unclasped Bear, and that one. Genesis, Fusion, as for Showdown, Neroy, Armed Dragon Thunder level 3. Alright. Get in there. Raging Storm Dragon. Collapse Spare. And that card. S4 Specimen. Alright. Well, I get an Armed Dragon Thunder level 10. Or just a Starlight. Hopefully one or the other. Armed Dragon Lightning. Rocky. Dual Avatar. Heavy Manifold. And Great Sensi Gold Gonda. Not today. I guess no Starlight. S4 Specimen. Armed Dragon Blitz. Spring. Pador. Tilted Tray. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's too bad I didn't get the level 10 or a Starlight in this video. But I can potentially see me opening another box or just comparing this box to some other boxes. But until that video, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, or at least a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you guys for the next video. 谢谢。